In this video, you'll learn how to automate business expense tracking using Make.com. Discover how to build a system that listens for expense submissions and sends out weekly summaries so you never miss a detail. Have you ever been swamped by lost receipts and the tedium of manually tracking expenses? Today, we're tackling that with an intelligent two-part system, the listener that captures every submission and an engine that delivers your weekly summaries on autopilot. Let's dive right into building your automation workflow. First, let's create the listener. Start by setting up a custom webhook in Make.com. Think of this as your digital net, catching every expense report submission from tools like Tally. Once an employee submits their expense, the webhook grabs crucial details, name, amount, category, and date, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. But the magic doesn't stop there. Instantly, this data is funneled into your expenses Google Sheet. Each entry becomes a new row, neatly timestamped, providing a seamless log of all your transactions without lifting a finger. Now let's go into the second part of the system, the engine. This is your scheduled scenario, firing up every Monday at 9 a.m. like clockwork. With the Search Rows module, it trawls through your Google Sheet, sifting through entries to gather all expenses from the past week. This ensures you have a comprehensive snapshot of your financial outflow, organized and ready. Finally, the system crafts a sophisticated, dark-themed HTML email. This isn't your average report. It delivers a sleek summary of your weekly expenses directly to your finance team's email, complete with a link to the full Google Sheets breakdown. No more piecing together reports, everything you need is readily available, beautifully packaged, and timely delivered. Harness the power of automation and transform how you manage expenses. Join our community and access 49 free templates to jumpstart your automation journey. Dive into the Arena marketplace, where your newfound skills can flourish and earn. With a thrilling $20,000 prize pool up for grabs, now is your time to shine. I will see you inside the Arena.